He was going at the 9, and it falls.
I thought everyone was going to bust out.
Grabe to mga kabilyar. Tingnan nyo itong ginawa ni Strickland dito sa 1 ball. Dumipensya siya. Nilagay ang cue ball sa likod ng 4. Pero tingnan nyo itong tira ni Efren. Pansinin nyo din ang 9. Grabe, napaka-solid ng tirang ito.
Look at this. He was going at the 9. He was going at the 9, and it falls.
Oh, we love this.
And the big dance by the big guy.
This is what we like to see. I thought everyone was going to bust out some of the Django moves there.
Tinawag na GOAT si Efren Bata Reyes dahil siya ang the greatest of all time sa larangan ng bilyar. Kilala siya sa mga ibang klaseng tira na siya lang ang halos nakakagawa. Tulad ng mga